How do gut bacteria produce serotonin and dopamine? Imagine your gut as a bustling city where tiny workers, the bacteria, are busy making chemicals that influence your mood and health. You might not realize it, but these microscopic residents play a big role in how you feel mentally and physically. Today, we're going to uncover how these gut bacteria help produce two important mood regulators, serotonin and dopamine. Most of the body's serotonin, about 90%, is made in specialized cells in your gut called enterochromaffin cells. These cells are like factories that produce serotonin, which helps regulate your mood, digestion, and gut movement. Gut bacteria don't produce serotonin directly, but they send signals to these cells to make more. One way they do this is by fermenting dietary fibers into short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids act like messengers, telling the cells to produce more serotonin. Some bacteria, especially spore-forming types, can directly trigger serotonin production by interacting with the cells through complex chemical signals. They influence how the cells make serotonin by releasing certain metabolites or cell components that act like switches. Plus, gut bacteria can affect how the body uses tryptophan, an amino acid from your food that's a precursor to serotonin. When bacteria help regulate tryptophan's availability and breakdown, they help keep serotonin levels balanced, which can improve your mood and digestion. Now let's look at dopamine, the chemical linked to motivation and reward. Some bacteria, like Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, and Escherichia coli, can actually produce dopamine themselves because they have the right enzymes. These bacteria can synthesize dopamine directly, much like how human cells do. The bacteria also influence dopamine through the microbiota gut-brain axis, a communication network connecting your gut, nervous system, and brain. This axis allows bacteria to send signals that can change how much dopamine is made and used in your body. Microbial metabolites can activate receptors on your gut cells, encouraging more dopamine production and breakdown. This process can impact your mental health by affecting cognition, motivation, and even motor control. Supporting a healthy gut through diet and lifestyle can help these bacteria do their job better. Eating prebiotic fibers encourages bacteria that produce beneficial compounds, which support dopamine and serotonin levels. Taking probiotics with strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium may also help balance these neurotransmitters. Practicing mindfulness and managing stress can positively influence your gut-brain communication. When you're less stressed, your gut bacteria are less likely to be disrupted, which helps keep your neurotransmitter production steady. If your gut is inflamed or has issues like leaky gut syndrome, it can interfere with bacterial functions and reduce neurotransmitter production, affecting both your digestion and your mood. In the end, gut bacteria are like tiny chemical factories that help produce serotonin and dopamine by creating metabolites and directly synthesizing these chemicals. Keeping your gut healthy through good food, probiotics, and stress management supports this natural process, helping you feel better both physically and mentally.